go.
You recording with that?
Yeah.
Are your goggles?
Yep.
Okay. Boy, going kind of fast there.
Yeah, I was trying to give it a little bit of speed so I could trim it out.
Oh, okay.
All right.
Yeah.
Let's hope we got the thrust we need.
Well, it looked like a better takeoff, like you were intending, but I kind of thought it was going to lift off sooner than that.
Yeah, me too. It's way out of trim. Part of the reason I think it's really twitchy in the roll axis is because the wings they have a anhedral. They point a little down, you know, if you look at it from the front. Let's get a little better. Yeah, and she ain't kidding. Alright, so we're going to bring the gear down. That kind of changes its trim. Boy, this is going to be something. I'm going to put the gear up.
Huh?
I'm putting the gear up.
Are you going to belly land?
Yeah.
I was going to say, it looks like you're awfully close to the trees.
Oh, I am. Boy, that was lucky. Ah,
oh,
bummer. I think I tore the aileron too when I hit that. Well, no, that would have been the other aileron. Huh. Well, yeah. The tree took a chunk out of it there. Oh. That was probably from the landing. Well, that's unfortunate.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. It is a finicky plane. Boy, oh boy.